What's up, everybody? We're here at Haybrook Lookout and we're gonna climb to the top. Let's go. We weren't planning on going on this hike, but we were gonna go to a different spot. But it was very crowded. Way too many people, way too many cars, like 300
parking lot
cars.
was full.
I mean, but we barely started this hiking. I mean,
It's a good view. Good scenery.
yeah. Nice trees all around us. This hike has the elevation of about 850 feet. I mean,
It's pretty steep in some parts.
it's not the steepest hike, but yeah, it can be steep in some parts. But we're in a great area, so
It's
you
a really
can't,
good area, yeah.
you can't really complain.
Cool trees.
Yeah, nice area.
So misty. Looks cool though,
Yeah.
walking into the forest like this.
It's very ominous.
It's cool.
We just stopped right by the top.
Got a
but-
really good view back here.
Yeah, the top's just right up there. We're close, but
It's snowing.
we've been up at the top for a little bit. I mean, it's
made it.
snowing. Like
It's
this is-
snowing. It's actually like really cool. We love the snow.
I've been waiting for it to snow, and
Yeah.
now it is. So
I'm gonna walk over here. You can kind of see it a little bit better against the trees.
yeah. Oh my God, it's crazy right now. Look at that.
Turn it around.
That's crazy. Can't see it much in the video, but like,
You can see it pretty
oh my
well.
God, it's
Look
a
at it.
blizzard, dude.
It's so cool.
It's a blizzard.
Love the snow. It's so cool up here. Look at the snow.
Yeah.
It's coming down so good. Look at it. It's so cool.
We're so high up. I mean, not super high, but I mean, it's cool. We're heading down now. We didn't expect it to snow, but
Really cool though.
yeah, we want to see more snow. We love snow. We don't really get it.
We
a
don't get
ton
much.
where we live, but when we do, we love it. Wearing shorts.
We want
'cause
more of it.
You always got to wear shorts in the snow.
Yup.
You don't have
We do have gloves though, so
Yeah, we're being kind of smart, you know. But we got our shorts on. Can't see it. Shorts on. Yeah, we like the cold. Not a lot of people like the cold.
love the snow.
Yeah, we want to see more snow soon. We will. We need to. Snow's cool. I don't know what else to say.
So, still haven't gotten a new tripod from when we broke it at Bolson Falls. So, I'm holding the camera kind of close, which I don't really like, because, I don't know, I just feel like I'm really close to it. But
Up close and
we're gonna
personal.
get a new one soon, hopefully. So, I don't have to hold the camera so close to me.
You wanna know what this is? This is content. It's not that good, but it's so good. You know, you gotta always have one hand on the camera to protect it, because you care more about your camera. Just kidding. Yeah. Keep going now. Content. like and subscribe, and I'll slide down this. Okay? Yeah. Well, I kind of want to slide down it, but like,
I don't know if that would be a good idea.
maybe if I get rid of this and then do it.
It's a pretty long slide.
Maybe if I like. One sec. Where is it? Like I said, protect the camera, you know, lens cap. Fun ride. Not to go get my stuff, but yeah. 10 out of 10. What do you recommend? I'm a tree hugger. What's up, guys? Like and subscribe. Comment. Yeah, do all those fun things, because then you'll be cool.
You'll be cool
like
if you do
me.
it. You're not cool.
Okay. Yeah. This is my rock. Nobody else. Actually, it's Mother Nature's rock, but she's letting me borrow it. So, yeah.
Alright, so we already filmed the outro, but then we wanted to stop by this river. So I'm gonna put the outro after, but we're gonna just show you the river real quick.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're at the river. It's the Skycomish River. It's actually like a really pretty river. It's really cool. Brady's up there, taking pictures. Alright guys, we're heading back to the car now. The river was really cool. Got some good shots.
Fun day, fun hike.
For an unplanned hike, I'd say it was pretty fun.
Yeah.
Now for the outro.
Hey. Oh. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
Eat your candy canes.
We sure had a good time snowing at the top. That was cool.
It's Brady
And Peyton.
and we're out.
I want the world, yeah, I want the world, yeah, I want it all, said I want the world.